Good evening, class. I want to go over a process here for working with the worksheets in our class on Canvas. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is just review the modules, as I have uploaded some new files to make things a little easier for everyone. So if we go down to Module 2, for example, which has our worksheets, scroll here, you'll notice now that instead of just having the 2.3 worksheet, I actually have an online Chapter 1 workbook field, the PDF form fields. So to explain a little bit of the difference to you, the worksheets here have worked for some of you to be able to download the PDFs and then process the information in the form fields that are here. But on the new style, one of the things that you'll notice that should make things easier for you is you'll go ahead and click on the form fields for this chapter. I can get there for you guys. Jumping around down me a little bit. So here's the form fields. When we go to the form fields, I don't want you to be fooled, because you'll notice that in the text here with the highlighted blue that you can go ahead and type in your name, for example, if you wanted. In here. But if you close this browser, you're going to lose your work. So one of the ways to work around that is you'll want to simply go over here to this arrow and download the assignment. I recommend that you try to download it to your desktop and in a specific folder. In this case, we'll just call this PDF Chapter 1. So I hit Save. Now, be careful that you don't open it up again like this, because again, if you look up here, it's in our web browser, right? For in this case, I have Google Chrome open. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And I'm going to minimize this window so that you guys can see where it's located. Here it is, our assignment. Now, when you open it up, you should see something that looks very similar to this. You'll notice that my name is in here. And I can go ahead and continue typing and saving this information as I want. One of the good parts about this is that if you get to, let's say, question 10 or 12 down here, you write something in, and you get pulled away from your computer, you simply go up here and you save this, and then you can close this out. And what's really cool about this is you can open it up, and all of our work has been saved. So this means that you can fill out these forms if you're only able to spend an hour or two, so much time a day on it. You can go ahead and fill this in. One of the other really neat features that's embedded in here is that when you guys go to submit this worksheet when it's done, I have to switch over to Student View to show you. Under Student View, in that same module area, when you go to submit the homework, you won't be able to do it in the form fields. It has to be done here at the worksheet. So you can go in here, you'll click on that, and then you'll hit, usually this will say Submit Assignment, but I've been demonstrating this multiple times to different students. So if I went here, I would go ahead and choose File, and I would go to my desktop, and then I would find my PDF one, and I would go ahead and open it. And there you see it is, and then I'd go ahead and hit Submit Assignment. Once that's done, you can verify that the assignment's been submitted right up here. It says Submitted, and it gives you the date and the time that I submitted the work. One of the other really neat features that's also embedded in here is the ability to link your Google Drive account with Canvas. And if you're going to save your work on Google Drive, for example, you'll be able to access that from multiple points, throughout your day. If you were working, if you needed to work on something during lunch for half an hour or so, you have access to it. So again, if we were going to go ahead and submit that worksheet, we have to click on the worksheet assignment, because this will not allow us to submit it. But if we go here and you look at the bottom of here before we put anything in, you'll see this option when we go to hit Resubmit for Google Drive. And down here, I don't have this particular computer linked, but if you link your Google Drive account, you'll be able to access your folders. It doesn't allow the college access to all your private information. You'll just be able to go into your specific folders and transfer that assignment in and submit it. So hopefully that's helpful to some of you. I know that we've had a couple of different methods of doing it between instructors and students. We're both learning the online system. Hopefully that's helpful. If you need any other assistance, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.